Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your video look a little bit better and sharper, I guess, in CapCut PC. So go to the adjustments tab here, and we are going to put the temp up to 10%. Then we are going to place the saturation at around 20. Go to exposure and place it at 10, as well as contrast. Then you are going to go to highlights and you're going to put it at 5, shadow at 5 as well. Scroll down and we are going to put the brilliance at 5. Oops, I accidentally pressed that. We're going to sharpen it to 100. And we're going to add some particles as well, but just at 10%. Now, once you're done, you're going to go to Effects. And I think it's under Lens, the Sharpen Edge one. Or was that somewhere else? I feel like you guys can see where it is, but there we go. Select it and apply it to your video. You can adjust the filter, the range, and the blur as well. And adjust how sharp you want it to be. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!